Is it nearly under control?
Nearly. I've got CFS coming, so we're just going to contain it.
As driving past, we smelled it and we had a look across, and there it was, just a little flame going up. Rang the fire brigade and told them there's a fire starting, and just came back and had a close look at it, and yeah, directed them to the fire. A couple of Gushenarians were around chasing these hooligans, but haven't caught nobody.
We're alerted by the pager calls, grass fire at Cobbler Creek Reserve and Bridge Road. On my arrival, had a couple of MFS appliances on scene, obviously some scrub and dry grass burning quite freely. They pretty much contained the incident on my arrival.
How do you suspect this was started?
At this stage, unsure. We are trying to get some fire cause investigators to come down and investigate the ignition source.
Does it seem suspicious from first glance?
From what people are telling me at this stage, it does apparently.